Hello students, welcome to English language learning class. Quickly let's have a recap. Last class I have gave you the basic rules to remember, cautioned you, alerted you time and again that remember all the changes of pronoun, tense, time, place. So we have to do that when we will convert it. That it is most important to remember and change it into the indirect speech. So how to change now? Sentence wise I had promised to change. Now today we'll see direct to indirect speech to transform in assertive sentence. Here is the question number 1. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma begin, I am busy now. So always remember first punctuation mark, full stop, then close the inverted comma. So here it is, begin, the teacher said. Why said? Told also could have, because here in said, here you don't have indirect object. So you can change to said. And this comma and inverted comma will be replaced by this conjunction that. The teacher said that. Then word by word change. Otherwise, if you straight sentence wise you will change it, somewhere you will make the mistake. You will forget to change. So that's why you see how I am changing. Take this tip and do, your answer will be flawless. Otherwise, there will be error always. So here I, as question yourself, as I am asking you, you ask yourself. Pronoun will change or not? Yes. Pronoun I said will change. I will change to what? Teacher here. He or she. I have given you he, so you can make it she also, teacher. Teacher. Then tense. Tense will change or not? Yes. It is in simple present. You have to identify the tense and form. Then same tense form you have to change. It is I am. So I am in simple present will change to simple past. He was. Then busy will change. No. You bring down the word. Then now will change. Yes. Time will change. Now will change to then. So if you don't remember, how will you change? And word by word, ask and change, not straight sentence wise. Let's see the second question. Aman said, comma, inverted comma begin, I met this man 2 weeks ago. Okay, so Aman said that, same relative conjunction will come here, that, remove this comma, inverted comma, I will, pronoun will change. Ask yourself, yes. Change, who is I? Aman. Aman is he. So he. So then tense, simple past. Here many of you, most of you make mistake, forget met, you keep it. No, I told you simple past will change to simple, past perfect. So here I met. Identify the tense, simple past will change to past perfect. He had met. Okay. See, if you do sentence wise straight way, it will be wrong. Then this will change. Yes, this will change to that. So man will not change, will come down. 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks will change. No, figures will remain, 2 weeks will remain. Ago will change. Yes, ago time, ago will change to before. Like this, if you ask and do, your answer will be, I said, there will be no error at all. So let's see the question number 3. She said, inverted comma begin, it may rain tonight. So let's see. She said that it might. May will change to might. Rain will not change. Tonight will change to that night. Simple statement. So now we'll do indirect speech to direct speech. Now same formula. All this will change to present form. Okay, putting the most important, this punctuation, inverted commas. So see that Meena said that here was the purse she had been looking for. Okay, so we'll say Meena said, comma, inverted comma begin. That will be removed by inverted comma. Here was the, was will, here why it is not changed here, I will tell you here. Very important here. Here would have been there here, but I did not change. Here I kept. Why I kept here, I will tell you. One more important and here explanation. So past tense, so present tense. Was will become is. The purse will remain here. She will, pronoun will change. Meena is she. So I had been looking for. So have been. Here the past perfect continuous will remain present perfect continuous. I have been looking for. So next comes, here. Why here in indirect speech I gave? I told here will change to there in indirect speech. But why here I kept? Remember, note this, important. So if this, see, these are the words. If this, here, now refer to some object, place or time that is present to the speaker while making speech. Okay, when the speaker is making the speech and these objects are time are there present there, then no change of adjective or adverb is made in reported speech. So here you see, here was the purse she had been looking for. When Meena was speaking, the purse was present there. The object is purse. That's why here did not change here. So this here now when referred to some object, place or time that is present to the speaker while making speech, then no change of adjective or adverb is made in reported speech. Okay. Second example we'll see. She told Arun that his work was neat. Indirect speech. So she told Arun. Remember told. When told comes said to, indirect second object. She said to Arun. To will come in indirect object. She said to Arun, comma, inverted comma begin. That will be removed by these inverted commas. Then his work means your work. His who? Arun's work. So your work. Arun is your work. She is telling to Arun. So what she said? That your work. Then past tense will become present tense and neat will remain as same. So in this way you have to change direct to indirect speech in assertive sentence. With this we come to the end of this session. Next class I will tell you how to convert imperative, interrogative and exclamatory sentence in direct to indirect speech. Thank you.